Okay, so this one is number 7 in 5.5, and it goes, Gardner has 600 feet of fencing, and this is the bit where there's this river, and we have these two short sides, two sides that are the same length at least, and then this longer side, at least as it's drawn. And we're supposed to figure out how to put out this fencing so that we maximize this area. So we know that we're shooting for area equals length times width. And if we could figure out what this is, then it's going to end up being a parabola when we do length times width, because I'll be in like an x times x, we'll get x squared. And then the x-coordinate of that parabola is going to be the length that maximizes the area, and then the y-coordinate of that vertex is going to be the maximum area. So that's what we're shooting for. So what we got to do is take this 600 feet of fencing and figure out how to get an equation out of this little picture, and that perimeter is 600 feet. So I'm going to let the short sides be x. More than one way to do this, but that's what I'm going to do. And then there's 600 feet of fencing. So if I have 600 feet and I'm going to use x and x on these two sides, so that'd be 600 feet minus 2x. So that has to equal the long side. So now for my quadratic, I can do x times 600 minus 2x. And then that's going to represent the area as a function of x. So distributing, I would have 600x minus 2x squared equals area. And then let's just write that in descending order. Okay, and so that is our area. And we want to find the vertex, and so it came out a negative x squared, so that's an upside down parabola. So we'll do, remember our x-coordinate is negative b over 2a. I think that's probably the easiest way to do this. So we do negative b would be negative 600 over 2a, so that's 2 times negative 2. Negatives cancel, 4 goes into 600 150 times. So that would be the short side. And then if I put 150 in here, 2 times 150 would be 300. So then the long side would be, side would be 300 feet. And then I can multiply those two things together, and so then the area came out to 4,500. You could also put the 150 back into this equation, and you would get the same thing. You'd still get that 45,000 down here. Cool, hopefully that helps.